Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tjcoolmoss here. We back with another banger for you guys today. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to basically turn your Twitch streams into TikToks. And this is the easiest way to do it. You do not need any software, you don't need any editing software, none of that. This is all through online. You can use Google Chrome, you can use Safari, you can use Firefox, Internet Explorer. Anything that's just an internet based software, that's it. That's all you need. You do not need to download anything, no extension, nothing. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. This will only take you 3 minutes. All you have to do is just clip videos throughout your stream, or get a moderator to clip videos throughout your stream that are really good. And if you want to turn them into TikToks, this is the easiest way to do that. This is super simple. You guys are gonna love it. Now without further ado, make sure you guys go ahead, if you do like this video, make sure to leave a like. It helps support me, which helps us put out more content. I really appreciate it. And if you like my content, please go ahead and subscribe if you're new. Welcome to the channel. I post nothing but Call of Duty videos, but I'm also leaning more into VR now, and now I'm also trying to help you guys out with your streams. Just trying to do anything gaming related. That's what we do. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Let's go ahead and show you guys the easiest way to turn your Twitch VODs or Twitch clips into TikToks or Instagram Reels or anything of that nature. So let's get into it. So first thing you're going to need to do is hop onto this website. Look it up on Google. It's called Streamladder. So look up Streamladder on Google, wherever, and then you can log in with your Twitch if you want. You do not need to, though. This is the cool thing about it. You do not need to. And all you're gonna do is, once you're here, you guys see here, I got my thing like this. So it's gonna pop up. Most likely, let's just refresh so it could pop up. It's gonna pop up like this. It's gonna say convert your Twitch clips to TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And all you gotta do is, you can either click from Twitch or local file. I mean, if you do from Twitch, you can look up your own Twitch name, and it'll pop up with all your recent clips and all that. But I haven't streamed in a while. I'm planning to get back on it. So what we're gonna do is, I can't even enter a clip URL because my clips are so old. So what we had to do is, I downloaded my clip, and we're gonna do it through local file. But if you have a clip from the last 14 days, all you're gonna do is go to that clip, copy, paste it here just like that, and then get clip, and it's just like that. But we're gonna do from a local file. So here we go. I'm gonna blur everything else out, but yeah, local file. We got the local file right here, and then they're gonna ask you, is this your clip? Yes, it's my clip. I put in the file. And this is the thing, so you could do squares for Instagram post. This is a premium feature though. Or you could do a small face cam. That's a premium feature as well. But what we're going to be doing is split. So it's going to stack your face cam right on top of your gameplay, which is great for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikToks. This is what I would use anyways. If you guys want to later on in the future, I would definitely say get the premium. It's pretty cheap, pretty affordable. You can also do other things like blurred, where it's just your face. Like, let's say you're talking to your viewers and it's a good lesson or something you're teaching them. Just put your face right there and it blurs out your gameplay in the back. Or you could just drop in the clip and just drop in any gameplay clip and just put it in like that. It'll put it full screen for you for TikTok or whatever. So if you guys want to see how much premium is right quick, premium, all of this to upgrade, as you guys see here, it's $4.99 a month. I honestly think this is worth it. I mean, no watermark, easy to use. I mean, they're doing something that's great for the Twitch community, great for the streaming community, which I think you guys should definitely tap into. I'd say $4.99 a month is a great investment for you guys, but we're going to be using this for free. You guys do not need to get the $4.99 a month option. You guys can do this for free, so don't worry. You can use I would use the free version for now, but if later on you want to get into that, you can get into that, into the subscription based. But for now, we're going to be using the free version. So this is my clip. We're going to select this template. We're going to go ahead. Okay, so I don't know why it wasn't popping up with my clip, but I guess the local file wasn't good enough or something like that. But I went ahead, just went back on my Twitch, went to one of my old clips and reclipped it again. So if you guys want to use old clips, you can just do that. And I went from Twitch right here, put in my stream name. You guys know Tjcoolmoss. You guys could check me out. And right here, you guys see he'll never do it. $5 bank. And now, is this your clip? Continue. That's all you got to do. Select the split, and boom. You guys could use the 4x3 face cam, or you can use free transform. My face cam is a circle, so I'm just gonna use the 4x3 and just put it right in the middle, right in the center. You guys line it up with the grid lines just like that. Press accept, and then now this is the gameplay. Boom. I'm just gonna put it right in the middle. There's no need to do all this extra stuff. And then you guys see it right here. Look at that. This is all you have to do. This is super simple, super easy. I told you guys, it's that simple. That simple. You guys do not need to download any software. You guys do not need to do any video editing. I've been doing video editing for the longest. I mean, it's a pain. It's a huge pain. If I would have known this Streamladder had came out like while I was streaming at like all the time, man, I would have been using this. It's so easy to just transport a little clip into TikTok. It's the easiest thing. And the good thing is you're downloading it onto your computer. You could post TikToks through your computer. Just go on the TikTok website and go to your profile, sign in, and click upload. It's that simple. And you could do it for YouTube Shorts now. This is the easiest thing to do. This is the best thing. All streamers should be doing this. If you guys want an easy way to turn your Twitch streams, Twitch VODs, all that into TikToks, this is the easiest way to do it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys are going to see here, I'm just going to click finish so you guys can see it. And it's going to just transcode it, render it. All you got to do is download it. It's that simple, that easy. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, and if it was helpful, please let me know down below in the comment section. I'm going to be checking. I really hope I helped you guys out. I'm also going to have Streamladder, the link down in the description below, in case you guys can't find it or something like that. But if you guys need any help, let me know that as well. I'll answer all your questions. Please go ahead, leave a thumbs up so that we can push this a lot. Push this video to a lot of people so that we can help all streamers out. And while you're at it, if you guys want, I have a streaming Discord down in the description below. If you guys want to shout out your streams and stuff like that and just meet a group of people that are like-minded like you guys that are all into streaming on Twitch, you guys can go ahead and check that down below as well. I really appreciate you guys' support. If you guys are new, welcome to the channel. I'm Tjcoolmoss. Please subscribe. Please turn on the post notifications. It helps me out. And while you're at it, once again, leave a like and comment and just share this to one of your friends that streams as well. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Round 3, I know you see me, baby. You hear the way I talk that shit like I'm on TV, baby. You got a room about relationships and demons daily. I seen your caption at the top.